Hello there. We're a couple of fellow trekkers. We purchased a Heartland Caliber RV, and this is one of our lily pads for summer. It had a rather distressed fiberglass nose, and this is how I took some steps to restore it. First, I used an oxidation remover, not untypical for boat owners, and I use this with an electric buffer, and then I apply cleaner wax and a polish. And I've done this for several years now, and applying cleaner wax and polish each year after nice washing in the spring. The first treatment showed a very good improvement, and each year it's improved. And now I use a pure wax after cleaner wax, and that fills the pores, and as a consequence the surface is much improved. It's not a high gloss, but it, as you can see in this video, it does repel water very well. It looks uniform for the most part, and that's what we wanted to achieve. So just passing this along. It takes a little bit of elbow grease, but the electric buffing machine helps a lot.